Hey guys, it's shawnshawn here. I want to give you a art book review of Van Gogh's Letters. So this is a really nice book. It's only a select version of Van Gogh's letters to Theo. I think he has one or two other people he wrote to, but mostly it's to Theo, his brother. There is a more complete book that I've also kind of started and never finished, which is Van Gogh's Letters, which is the whole full, I think it's like 600 letters. This is only, I think it's like 180, so it's more digestible. It's like, you read too much about Van Gogh, it's really depressing, obviously, because he kills himself. Or he's shot, I don't know. But he never gets success, right? So everyone knows that story. But this is really great because it kind of covers the paintings matched with the actual letters, so you can actually get an understanding of Van Gogh's mindset and what he's thinking, and just get a broader understanding of what an artist goes through, especially if you never get that marketing success. Like Van Gogh had a real issue of getting marketing success, and he only had Theo, and it was like this remote gallery trying to promote him. And one of his biggest downfalls, I think personally, was just his lack of being in Paris. It was okay to go to the countryside to paint, but he should have went back to Paris repeatedly to keep those connections with the galleries at the time. That was the only way to really sell and be in the cafes and meeting other artists and gallerists. And he completely removed himself from the marketing world and all the clients in the galleries. And that just kind of drove him insane. I mean, he probably might have been too insane to meet with them, maybe, so that might have been the issue. But I recommend the book. It's a really good way to learn more about Van Gogh. And that's my book review. Thanks for watching, guys.